Okay. Okay, that's this is the shower at the basement level. We're replacing that piece because it was damaged and it wouldn't stop leaking. This is on the back of the wall. This is the heater unit right there. Also, there's another leak.
Aquí está liqueando todo esto.
Up here. Seems that the leak comes right from in there. You can see it's wet all over the place. So more seems to come from around there as well. I'm gonna be fixing that as well in a few moments, but most of the leaking happens right there and right here. Okay, this is the piece that we replaced. You can see it's just like that one back there. It should be like this, and I had to replace it because it was bad already. So we replaced it.